Hey everyone, this is Tip from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the developer mode on your Steam Deck so you get more options. So let's go on down to Steam, click this and go to settings. Then under here, let's go down to system. Click this. Scroll on down, here's the system settings develop mode. Now it's not like an Android phone where you have to click a bunch of stuff under about phone. Just go to enable developer mode. Click this and when it's blue it should be turned on. Now there should be more options down here, so if we scroll on down, we should be able to see stuff related to develop mode. So just enable it or disable it right here, and you should be good to go. So very simple. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSixTech.